Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to schedule tweets on the Twitter website on computer. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So first of all you have to open your web browser. I'm opening my Google Chrome. You can open any web browser of your choice like Firefox, Microsoft Edge, etc. So let me open my Google Chrome. You can see it's opened, and after that you have to go to this website twitter.com and then log into your Twitter account. You can see I'm already logged into my Twitter account, and after that guys you have to click on this compose a tweet, this button over here. So let me click on that, and I have this little pop-up window. So here you need to compose your tweet. So let me write mine. And after that guys you need to click on this schedule button over here. So let me click on that, and I have this schedule, this little pop-up window opened, and here you need to select this date, time and time zone. So let me select this date, month, day, year. So I want this October month. I want this day, today is the 12th, so let me select 13, and the year I want this 2020. And after that guys you can select this time, so you can select hour, minute and AM or PM. So let me select this 6 hour, minute, let me select this, and AM or PM. So I want this PM, okay? And here we have this time zone. So this might be different in your case depending on the option that you have selected while creating your account. And after that guys you need to click on this confirm button over here. So let me click on that. And after that you need to click on this schedule button. So let me click on that. It's scheduling, and it's now done guys. You can see the message at the bottom. And also guys, let me show you that how you can find your scheduled tweets. So again you have to click on this compose a tweet, this button over here, and I have this pop-up window. And after that guys you need to click on this schedule, this button over here, and here we have the scheduled tweets, this button. So let me click on that, and you can see I have this window opened, and here we have these two tabs, drafts and scheduled. So you have to click on this scheduled, this tab, and you can see I have this tweet over here that I have just scheduled. And suppose guys if you want to edit that, then you can click on this edit button at the top over here, and you can see I have this box over here. I can select this tweet. So let me show you. So let me click on this box. You can see it's now selected, and after that you can delete this tweet if you want. So let me click on this delete button because I want to show you. So I have this pop-up window, discard unsent tweets. This can't be undone and you will lose your unsent tweets. So if you want to delete that, just click on this delete button and it will be deleted. But I don't want to do that, so let me click on this cancel button. So let me click on this done button at the top. Let me go back. Let me close this window. Let me close this window also, okay? So that's it guys. In this way you can easily schedule tweets on the Twitter website on computer. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.